Man, twin, hold that. Oh, god damn, boy.
Look at this pain, look at these scars, look at my gang. You went to court, you beat the charge. I did the same thing. Shit, I got dark, it got hard for me trying to maintain.
Gonna be hitting that gun range today. Right now we headed to
Geico spot.
Headed to that boy Dyke spot. Drop some stuff off. Then finna link back with that boy Money and Shanty. So shit, when we get with them, man. Well, when we get to the gun range, when we get with them, or we driving.
Shit, either or.
Shit, I'm gonna let y'all know, but man, when I get with them, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all. What are you doing?
Who?
What are you doing? G ain't fuck it up, man. Yo, man. You said what?
He must stay for the weekend. He got 2 pair of shoes. God, yeah.
Bro, he got too much going on right now. Yes. Cabin. And he got that motherfucker on him.
I can't put it on YouTube, man. They gonna
you feel me?
They restrict
man, they Abraham Lincoln.
How they track can't get over there?
You know what I'm saying? He say my nigga. Love you, my nigga.
Oh, yeah, but I'm saying, I'm with little baby, y'all.
Alright, my nigga. I told y'all he go do rat.
No,
hey, fool. I say you get ready like a girl, fool.
What you mean?
Like, you take too long.
Fool, that was hard. Ain't no hard to... She an actual girl.
What's my you though?
Fool, it take me 15 minutes to brush my teeth.
I gotta show you what that white cello had on day twin.
See, look.
I say, show the fit, fool.
See, look. Them a little cousin shirt. He about 10.
Okay.
She need her jogger.
Okay, on the scale, like how much you think your fit? Like how much you say your fit is?
Like how much it cost?
Yeah, the whole fit.
He probably about 25, 30.
25.
He
Sock back.
You know.
Sock gonna run you back. You feel?
Even one, so they about $10 to about, pack on.
Okay.
So that about $40.
What you going on them?
Even about $30.
Okay.
You know,
You ain't know who to say that.
Wrong, it might be my little cousin shirt back there.
Okay.
They about
I told her you gonna show what you shooting today too though. I'm gonna let them know. We ain't gonna show. What's he gay? Twin say he go fast. Santa, what you go?
I can't definitely fuck
you know.
What?
Alright, so.
You read the G. Bitch hurt.
My feet ain't dirty, ho.
Oh God.
My feet ain't dirty, yo.
Chill out, right?
I can't do nothing with it.
Yeah, I don't even know what the other one there for.
So you got none?
Hey. Hey, you ain't gonna have to do, bro. I gotta.
This shit don't hurt.
Nope. Cause my feet ain't all the way in them.
How you walking though?
I'm walking that way. I'm walking that way.
Turn go.
Hey, look, I
G
got
falls off. Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Them folk went going. Yeah. Everybody had on slide, but you know, I went max. Hell no.
I don't go at you done.
Hey, I got a picture.
Oh, you straight then?
Bet. Said we don't need that bit. Yo, YouTube, man, we back.
On the web one?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's a whole new day. Whole nother day. We still got that range in motion. We ain't go to that bit yesterday because why the hell we ain't got down? Yeah, the lane shit full. But shit, we gonna double back day type shit, you know what I'm saying? It's a whole new day. Goddamn. We prepared today. Yesterday we went in that bit. We ain't have shit. No shoe. Nigga didn't have no ID, no nothing.
That's it.
I got these white foes on, nigga. I'm ready. That's
We good.
Nice
Okay.
shit.
But yeah though, man. I'm gonna get y'all back. Well, I really gonna just gonna vlog everything today, bro. It's just gonna be a whole goddamn, you know what I'm saying, vlog.
Hey, so I'm finna send him money to you.
I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. What you say? What you say? What the fuck what you just said though? That's some wild shit. So that you gonna go film with it?
Yeah.
Respect.
That,
Man, they done ran through this bit, bro. What you finna get, gang? Check him out. Gotta go drink. Let's Sprite put me in my mode. What you go? What you go? Man.
Hey, hold on. Hey, look, it's a Dr. Pepper need don't sponsor.
Well, I need to graduate. I'm gonna get my nigga a rat. You know, it's a Dr. Pepper. Third bus of food. Somebody tried to run through that bit like a week ago or some shit. They ran through that bit. He over here swiping.
Polar pop, sunlight. Can't even get no polar pop, man. We ain't need that sunlight. Hey, you can't get no third bus,
I
my
was
boy.
saying, money ran through Circle K last week.
Yeah. They tried to button, but now I put in, you know.
What? What's with that Mexican food? You had to.
I ain't got nothing for that mix.
Y'all know,
You got me fucked up.
You said what?
In the stove.
Somebody that Mexican.
Huh?
Somebody that Mexican. What you had?
In the stove.
They more than they get up on me. They
Mozzarella shit. Like, bro, looking at I hit. Burn that whoop. Alright.
But that piece look good as fuck, though. I ain't gonna lie.
What piece?
On that wall. Right there.
Little curry piece to it.
Motherfucker. Hell yeah. I ain't gonna lie. With the bacon.
I go Sprite. Can't go wrong with that
I
Sprite.
ain't even have enough for them. Then he gave me $1. Let me with $3.25.
So I can't drink nobody on them bitches shit. Nasty, bro.
You drunk this one, though?
Cool. No, I just get the fruit punch.
Hey, this.
Trying to the body armor.
Bro,
Tropical punch.
I've been eating these bitches for 3 days.
Oh, you can't go wrong with hot fried twin. Like, you cannot go wrong with hot fried.
What day is Friday? Well, I open these bitches Wednesday.
They came up through that bit flying like that. Where the fuck did they go? Like, they flying for no reason. Half of them they can't drive.
That bitch straight to me.
Yeah. That bit taste like a.
Tropical punch. Like, I thought that bitch was
Yeah, like-
pineapple at first, mango type shit.
That way they tell you like that mango. God. Y'all know, man. I'm just gonna vlog the whole day, bro. Like, we just went to the store, got
Got a
Right.
$1,000 gun still. Fuck nigga for them. Talking about all
Yeah, y'all just be saying money, like money just be talking. But another thing, bro, like I told y'all yesterday, man, y'all know how long it took this man just to come out the house.
Bro, hey y'all.
So,
If I was next jerking and shit, that mean that nigga slamming on brake.
That true fool?
And I got a video.
I'm gonna play the clip in the video. He was mad as He was mad as hell though. What they were doing to him? What they
Hey,
doing
man,
though?
that nigga Soulja Boy said, "Hey Blueface, what inspired you to make butt down Dr. Young?" He said, "Your baby mama." Video.
That bitch so bad, bro. And y'all know I go.
How he said it.
I know I go Sprite, bro. Alright,
what the fuck you worry about my
I
Dr.
hate my
Pepper
bitch
for?
the other day. That
what's
bitch-
that?
Crazy, man.
Twin, I go Sprite. He always go Dr. Pepper, but shit.
He used to go on fountain.
Oh, and fountain, you wanna let the fountain go?
Yeah.
I'm good.
Oh, he only go on.
Man,
He
let
only
the
go
fountain
on
go.
fountain every
Man,
today.
tripping, man. Man, let the fountain go. Why you let the fountain go?
Cause look.
Well, y'all, I'm telling y'all, bro. I come on this road, bro, at West Point, Georgia, bro.
He tripping. He look.
B.
He driving and recording. Don't subscribe to his ass.
Bruh.
I'm the only nigga who can
Bro,
do
I'm
it.
telling y'all, like it be so many, so much shit going on, like, a nigga gonna be running out the road, like him.
Don't get that shit right there. That motherfucking Amazon Prime, we probably have wigs and everything.
And weird.
16-inch
Y'all must trying to go
front
fuck.
laced.
Got your butt down middle.
Y'all know, bro. Get y'all back when we get to the gun range, bro. I'm gonna show y'all how to shoot that motherfucker. Like, I got the bet aim in the car.
Man, you crazy? I told motherfucking
What you think, twin?
Hey,
They
look,
gonna drop that
no,
bitch.
no, I got y'all to propose. You get out right now, run up there to the yellow sign. I bet I hit you one shot.
Right
Curry
now?
your ass. Yeah. You run to that sign, I'ma curry your ass.
You get out and run to that sign. I guarantee you, I'm gonna hit you because I'm gonna hit you with the car and not the gun.
Man, I'm gonna hit y'all back, man, when we get to that gun range, man. I'm gonna hit y'all back. I'm gonna show these niggas how to shoot. I'm gonna show these niggas how to shoot. I bet I hit that bit more time than they do.
Man.
What you want to bet? What you trying to bet?
You can run it better from last night.
Goddamn, wait, gang. We just made it to the goddamn gun range. Yeah, I got that bit there. If I got that bag, you know I got that.
You went to Guthrie and got that bit?
To my
Your bag.
shack.
Exactly.
Oh God, fool, they had my shit stuffed up on the car.
I was the same for me and money went out there. They was like, they ain't have that bit.
I'm gonna say that shit. I mean, I'm just made it to that goddamn gun range. That's the gun range. Probably up on the seat, man.
So I did check though.
What's about the other one? Hello, man. We just made it to the gun range. Got that boy Jalen in this bitch. High profiles in this bitch. Yeah.
So you see? Yeah, well, why ain't feel it?
You didn't look.
BBL, bubble ass.
Let me see.
BBL, bubble ass.
Nah, man, we just made it to the gun range. Can't fuck with me. Nigga can't fuck with me. Blix, blick, 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 blick.
Everybody got close to shooting his still?
Man, shut that. Yeah, the dog just jumped on the
My ankle.
We just made it to the rain, man. Jalen. Why you had shit like that, fool?
Don't shoot yet, Jay.
Huh?
Don't shoot yet.
Why they aggressive, though?
What you here with, though? You going out first.
It sound like,
Yes.
like I'm hear everything.
Going straight headshot. Body shot at nigga.
I'm hungry here.
Hey, had a nigga praying to God.
Send him up. We gonna see what Jamie finna do though. That made my heart hurt. Don't shoot that bit no more. God damn.
Bottom?
Damn, man, that bitch sound like a goddamn Drake. That little motherfucker did that. Damn.
Hey, time for the big one. Hey, time.
I want to shoot that bit. That bit not. Yeah, you need to take that back to it. Oh God. Tell what you get. Why that bitch? What you go to him?
The little brother.
Okay.
That's 30.
Trying to go with the 30
You know.
bit.
Tight time.
Man, that bit was so goddamn loud, man. Man, that shit got that eardrum goddamn. Oh no, don't shoot that bit no more, twin. Don't shoot that bit no more. Get right out, money.
Ate that bitch up. Is some more now?
Yeah, it's just.
Oh, let me hit that one.
Yeah, let me hit that bit.
Wait, don't shoot yet. Hold on.
That bitch knocked the beam off.
God damn. Man, Jet don't shoot that. Man, Jet don't shoot that
I
goddamn
hit the head
cannon no
2
more.
times. Chico boy right now.
Pop his ass in the mouth. Mouth.
I caught all these.
Chin, money went goddamn hard and goddamn stomach.
But don't shoot that.
Money.
That's loud.
It's on me now.
Let me go out there.
It's on me now. Man, twin, hold that. Oh, goddamn, boy.
let me bag up.
Nah, I want you to hear that shit. You gotta hear it.
I was gonna bag to watch you.
Oh no, I want you to stay right here.
Nigga, I shot it like.
Man, they
Nigga didn't even go. I know what it sound like.
Man,
I
twin.
shot it. You got a two.
Yeah, y'all don't need to shoot that. That's too loud. They need to go in the trash.
Man, I tell you, man, bro, I got these on, man. That shit still fucking up my shit. Like, it ain't even just dealt with, bro.
Just
Hey,
the way to shoot that made me
it
scared.
dealt with, bro.
I want to shoot that.
My God. Damn. But what, how you bring that bitch in? What the hell we just hit? I hit it there right there. So it go right there, right there.
ain't but a nine. Ain't no big gun.
Might go body shot though.
I
Oh, it's shot time. Let's do it, twin. I'm talking about money,
Yeah,
please.
that shit be too loud.
Not money.
We not
It's
shooting
one
it.
bullet. It's the last one.
Who?
You.
Bet.
Here, hold up.
He want me to shoot the candy. He want me to shoot the
Put
candy.
that in
Hold
your
on.
pocket.
It's the last. It's only one more. Cuz. Just tight.
You know what I'm saying? I don't even think I hit it.
Shit, you hitting that bit though. I'm glad you hitting that bit. She just tried to go so Oh, my mama, she did. Yeah, she did. On me. She hit head, twin. On me, she hit head. Oh, God. On me.
Oh, right there.
Twin, what you get? I just dumped. But
No, she mean she hit it twice then.
yeah, cause I hit the chin.
Chico hit it one time. I hit it twice. It went right here. It went right there.
So what? Hold on, who hit out here?
I don't know, fool. But Shasha just bucking that bit. Shasha was driving that bit, though. Oh, my mama, Shasha was feeling that bit. Man, I'm really got down. That bit down, man.
You gotta feel.
Oh, we can take this bitch out there. We can put that other one up.
We need to take that bit back. That bitch so goddamn loud, man.
That's so far back.
That close. That ain't what we shooting at.
You got 3 more
Yeah, I'ma
shots.
finna shoot
You got
again.
4 more shots.
That gun, not the big one.
Huh? Oh, let me-
That's a new target. Shasha in the shoulder. You grazed him a little bit.
Huh?
I'm done.
Me too.
Hey, look. I still got all these bullets to waste.
I mean, you got something at the house?
Yeah, I got some.
Where you was?
Right here. He shot that.
I got microphones in mine, so it's louder for me.
Cut with my twin, we be vibing.
We're building the pyramid. It's gonna be our bottom level, the widest base.
Quake.
Your stance,
Fool.
grip, side pictures.
Man, that bitch, the first time you shot it on God, fool,
The
I
5 things that you build off until you get that very fine
until you got
point
that
where you're like a world
that
class
bitch
shooter.
too loud,
It
fool.
starts all at the
If you
bottom
shoot that
right
nigga
here.
with that
And
fool,
we're gonna be working on these.
he gon' his light
So
gon' flash
don't
for you.
worry about your target. Worry about what
But
you're doing.
the gun already loud, fool. You can hit with that
Okay,
fool.
but I
And
tell
you
you,
say
shoot
this
the
dude
target
gon'
once,
spray
pay
it.
attention, sights the entire time, pull the trigger, and then we look at the
What you doing, twin?
What you'll get is you get a lot of people, and it's a target,
Oh, and it could.
they'll fire, they'll pick up the gun.
I'm saying it,
they'll fire, pick up the gun, see what counts.
Say that bit.
Then when they go out to an actual shooting situation,
Damn, sure gonna hit that motherfucker too.
they'll be doing this thing, because they're fighting that reflex they feel.
And dunk.
Brain, which is comfort zone, which is muscle. So they're constantly doing that.
Hold on, bring him up again. I'm saying, so, like, what's your main, alright, what's your main,
See, Shanta already hit here and here. So I'm finna go from here and up. Here.
so X and up?
Man, fool.
You said X. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, that.
You know what I'm saying?
Alright, so if you don't hit that bitch, like, come to me. That's straight right there.
It's a hollow.
This motherfucker here, man. Shut just dunk though. Good, she dunk.
Reactivate that spring so we can pull the trigger again.
Right.
You only need to do this once it's empty and you're doing dry fire, because you have to reset that.
see what he went ahead though. He went ahead. He said and up though, but you still gotta get right here to him.
Oh, you want me right here?
I want you right now.
Yeah.
That's where I want you at. But you caught right here though. You caught right here though. G right there. Let me see if I hit the head one time. Oh, they did. The head now. The head. One shot. Right there.
Oh, you hit right here.
What? Right here. Right here?
Yeah.
Well, on me, that bullet, that shit hit me in my face. On God, that bit hot. Yo, man, we went crazy, though, man.
Ain't doing no missing.
Straight body shot. Nigga on the shit bag. You on the shit bag, man. That shit at the pawn shop. You can leave your shit here.
I'm trying to. I'm trying to leave this here and leave with this one.
Man, that bit, that sound like a goddamn bomb.
You ain't missing.
Man,
ain't
this-
been out once.
So I was shooting at the head before I had that hit all down here.
All these, well, these
That's
two.
it, though. No,
Nah,
this
this
one.
me.
This one mine.
This the second one. This shot. This
Yeah.
the first one. This all me.
No, it
She
ain't.
got-
Cause I did.
This the first one. I already paid for this.
So y'all, bro, y'all see this video?
It had to be.
What, man? That bit,
Who
yeah.
shit this is?
What? There's somebody else.
Oh, okay.
It had to be that 350 something. Had to be.
I'm tell y'all, like, that bitch there, Okay, you get hit with that fool, your light gonna fly before your eye for real. Kill a fool. So it ain't loud.
I mean, I get out that bit, twin. Like,
He keep talking about that. I'm trying to leave these bills. Money. I'm trying to leave these. I'm trying to leave this one.
it was great.
He say he trying to leave with them. Let's see your brother gonna leave with them. Okay. But he did right here. Man, when I tell you, bro, like, I ain't even want to shoot that bit was so loud. You say you
That
want
bit
to
probably cost something, but it come with a box of bullets.
what? The judge, motherfucker.
That is judge right here for you.
What?
Right here, this is judge.
Bro, what they did
I
there?
don't know. It's so high, it come with a box of bullets.
You know it, man. Damn, man. Twin heads. I'm talking about Shanty dunked that bit though. Shanty got the groove of that bit. Got that with the do.
They killed her.
I wonder what this motherfucker do.
Put on tongue down the screen, no baloney.
I wonder what this do for you.
See, put one in you.
Hey, we're gonna hit the ladder on that motherfucker right there one day. Cash through 219. Don't go, y'all ain't don't go play my number.
Trying to get something to eat.
Don't go play my number.
It's lunch break.
Land break.
Put on tongue down the screen, no baloney.
Twin say he not doing no mission, but I'll tell you.
I done shit that man, nigga.
If I ain't okay, you hit a nigga up that many times like he dead on the foot, boy.
I am, nigga.
He got hit.
I mean, how much they bought the bullets here, though? Yeah.
How much they be?
Huh? You gonna keep it?
I'm trying to figure it out now. Get something to eat and shit. Like I was saying, bro, y'all see that video, bro? Listen to this goddamn gun, man. That motherfucker so goddamn loud when they talking about shit.
Hey, look. Did that motherfucker Abraham Lincoln got knocked good.
Shit, I'm pretty.
No.
Nah, he got knocked. Yeah, he got knocked with something smaller. I think he got knocked with that one last night. That green one.
Yeah,
The silver.
like
Yeah, I think he got knocked with that one.
You think they'll do that?
What you trying to do?
Sell this one to them and get this one.
Ooh, you gonna shoot that one today?
Yeah. Not here, but yeah.
I ain't gonna count for that.
That one bigger.
That bit, that probably.
So that's the little brother.
That's the little brother.
That's the big brother.
Look at this one compared to that one.
That's the little brother.
Shit.
Imagine getting hit one of these.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling Jelly. He come on. There you get hit one.
Don't rock me up, eh?
Now, nigga, up that bitch up here. I'm gonna get whatever you got there. Up that bitch. Look, I'm on
What's wrong with you, boy?
You got, why you hit with that boy?
Hey, look, I ain't even gonna think about doing that screen. That's why I ain't.
You get that piece of chain.
On God, boy. That's it.
Yeah, though, man. Twin say he gonna let y'all know what kind of blick he got, but it ranked down. Just got to know what I'm saying, get what kind of blick he got, man. I'm about to know the gun while we in here.
Hey, I'm 15.
Yeah, though, man. We probably finna go.
I gotta pay for my target. Oh, gotcha.
We probably finna go,
I have.
get something to eat. I'm gonna get this, man. Come on, too. Probably finna go, get something to eat, man. Do something. Yeah, man, I'm finna go get us something to eat, man. FMJ. Hey, fool.
Yo,
You need to send that bit away from here.
well, I'm singing too.
Bet where you got it from?
Shit, I ain't gonna give all my money.
To the highest bid. Put them in the trunk, honey.
Man, gun so goddamn loud, man. The shit you see.
Shit made me hungry. He shut me.
I got that eardrum on. And they tell my shit.
I wanted a 350 something, but now, boy, you just made me not even want nothing.
Like, that bit
Get
there.
38.
I don't even want that.
Keep what he got.
I don't even want no falling no more behind that.
God damn.
Got gun in that bag, so full of
But
Depends on
in a
what gun
confined,
it
in a
is.
confined area, that shit make it loud like that rain. That father probably would have sounded loud as fuck.
We need some food.
Think about we would have shot that ARP.
Boy.
I go to McDonald's.
What's the name shit?
You want McDonald's?
Yeah, we hit my dog.
I really want some pizza.
Yeah, let's see, but it's all right. It's 18.
No, we'll go back to the valid for me, but that's 18.
They got a market. Go to Auburn, bro. Go to Auburn.
What you say?
What's in Auburn?
The food sacred, nigga, what the fuck?
Zachary.
That nigga said, that nigga said, I want some chicken to, I mean, he said, I don't want it, but damn, you gonna try to eat that shit too?
I ain't right.
Shit.
I ain't know how.
Bitch, we like food. Let go to food. Let go to God. Damn, I'm tired of food, bro.
Bro, that food sandwich hit different, man.
Damn. Can we go to Five Guys? We ain't got enough for Five Guys.
Go to a few niggas.
Man, y'all niggas funny as fuck.
I need some
Man, what? Sounds like a few niggas. God damn, where the hell you get that from? Shit. Where you get that from? A few niggas.
Hey, fuck that. If I stop by the house, I'm gonna just stop by the punch out there and give me another box.
I got you though. Hey, I got you though, gang. I got you though. That boy Jalen said, "Well, damn." So you tired of that food? Tony said he tired of looking at tenders. I ain't even count. I ate tenders. I don't even know that time.
Well,
Yes, I did.
Turn into a
Hey,
chicken tender.
I ate some.
We've been eating food sacred. Zachary's. I said Zachary's. Zaxby's. Guthrie's. Food sacred.
You can't even get right.
But I'm tired
Yeah, I ate
of
something
fucking
you ain't
chicken
know how to
tender
say it,
food. I'm gonna
fool.
turn into a fucking chicken.
Yeah, but hey, on some real shit though, fool. Them tenders just hit different, man.
Me and Money will turn into some chicken, though.
Shit.
Wait, let me tell you.
Boy,
I know somebody who got some
a real
they got,
chicken.
Food sacred.
Who?
Church.
Churches?
Churches.
Nah, they probably ain't got food sacred, but
Nah.
hey,
They
now they what they call mashed potato. They bread. You can't go wrong with that food. On my mama out.
That's not better than KFC, though.
KFC. Ain't had KFC in a little minute. Twin said he tired of chicken tender though. Twin said it is Zaxby,
So if you was
food
talking
sacred.
about give me some Chinese.
And what else? What else you been eating on?
Shit. Zaxby's and Guthrie. I'm tired of this shit, man. I'm saying I eat it, but damn. Fuck.
Nigga said I eat it, but damn. I been on that key, that white key, you know me. Pull up all that drink. Let's check out. Put on that buzzer. Yo! Hey, yo! I was trying to tell like your fucking boot bag, whore. Bruh. Jelly got hit wet, twin? Got yours too, though? Jelly got hit wet? Jelly got hit wet? What you say, Drake got hit wet?
Oh, you got your 30?
Got hit wet? I said, you said Drake. This said
he got
military.
his 44th president gun on him. He gonna kill the 50 Cent president with that bitch.
Fool.
I'm walked out. I'm geeked up moving slowly. I'm so fucking hot.
This man so goddamn.
Pull up on it. Hey, YouTube. I want that drink. I don't know what I'm that drink. That ain't you. So while you behind the camera, man. Matter of fact, let me get that bitch. I'm gonna cheat today, man. It's okay if I put you on the camera? I'm vlogging. It's okay. Say hey to the vlog. What's your name? We're with Brooke, everybody. With Brooke. Let's put me back on the camera. Yeah.
We got that fool.
What you finna get? My ear's still ringing, fool.
Man, what you want? What you want?
I made it for you that fast. She didn't mean to me, y'all. She didn't mean to me right now.
Hey, we got that food, man.
That boy pigeon toe, man.
Put me out there.
Man, he got drunk.
I'm on the vlog, man. I'm not stunning you folks, man. We vlogging today, bro.
What the hell with
bullshit? Y'all know me. I'm on the.
What the hell with, man?
My name Kelvin B.S. Decker. Okay.
Hey, look. He double straw, and he got double
You
toothpicks
feel
in
me?
his
Double
mouth.
toothpick. You feel me?
He dumping everything.
Let me take a sip for you.
Why you drinking with the pit like that, though?
Hey, bro, heard what I said about that. I told you that I carry so many good. He got the 44 president in his pocket. Money got in 5. What I got?
It ain't bad, but I don't fuck with it.
No shorts there, nigga. Booty shorts there. You 36.
What he had that said, twin? What he had that said?
He just said, what's up? Nigga, you heard me, nigga. I'm short.
He got some shit, bro.
Gang shit. Book line. Sure.
Yeah, man. We had that food.
It ain't working on him. I tried to grab a noodle. I said, Shay, it's a burger.
Man, they put a whole bunch of lemons in them. This bitch taste just like lemon. It's a real lemonade.
Some jello over there.
You see?
You know what it is.
Oh yeah. On me that
Got
five.
that voodoo sauce.
Sweet and spicy.
That kung fu.
Man, that bitch so thick.
On me that. Want to taste something?
Man, that shit look like a toilet right now. So it just think my stomach just been hurt.
I'm saying you want some? I'm talking about try the kung fu sauce. On me it good, twin.
Fuck that kung fu. I mean, this shit like
It's cool.
for 18. Only deep outside. Don't hear some niggas. They was some black folks.
On what?
Like a little baby.
Oh, good.
They didn't even take that iPad off, but I thought Snapchat would have got them remove that motherfucker with the eye. They didn't looking too much, y'all. Y'all leave. Cause shit, I'm drunk over here. I need to get a little Sprite or something. I don't play that.
Man, Lord and real, man.
I said you can't fuck with me for the free meal. You gotta have a wrist name.
First off, this bitch got a loud on back of his pickup truck. Bullshit.
I ain't gonna count it. I would have tried that too, though. It really is smart with at the same time.
Get wet.
That bitch went to rolling.
Booga ba booga. 619.
What's wrong, Kevin? Sit the phone on.
Bullock 619.
Sit the phone on.
Red my stereo. My Brooke. Yo, tell Brooke what's going on. Drop your name in the comment section if you want to suck my cock.
Go close me out, gang. I would have got him, twin. Check out here. Got that mark.
They get where they from. That O.
Yeah, let's go down.
They gonna come down here.
I ain't got no whip either. Whip, they done told me whip. Oh God.
I gotta see what she look like first.
Can't show too much. Tell I went.
Baby, she bought me a Walmart, so you should let me stay at Walmart. You don't want to do too much, man. She got the vlog on there. So get in one of these. Go ahead. Can't find one big enough, so I'm too big, bro. She gonna close her ass.
God damn.
Waiting at ain't no gold about a window.
Yeah, man, I'm getting that mark.
Okay. We gonna put the clipper bro boots in there.
What you gotta say, man? We got up, man. We in Walmart. Like I said, bro, I'm vlogging the whole day. Nigga really tired for it. They get away from him. Boy, the arrow. I'll get away from him, bro. Get away from him.
Oh, yeah. You better move your life in.
Like, you the boy arrow, y'all.
I don't think we got none of
Take
them.
out of here, boy arrow. Fuck all that, y'all. It's on my drink. Y'all my drink in. Check, I put my drink down.
So you know your drink on aisle seat.
They don't got no fish and stuff in here. No, it's not.
Oh, you talking about no worms and shit?
Yeah.
That shit back there. What gonna say something? Animal. What's wrong with you, fool? I found some shades.
This shit gonna slide like some glue.
I found some shades. I found some shades.
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse is it? Come inside, it's funny inside. Okay.
What the fuck? What the fuck?